Okay, we have a Haas 5-axis CNC drill tap mill center, model DT-1, serial number 1110267. This machine was new in 2014 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 15,000 RPM spindle. It is BT30. You have a nice tool changer, 20+1 tool changer. He's running your Z-axis right now. You have 20 of X, 16 of Y, and 15.5 of Z. You have a 26 by 15 T-slotted table. On top of that table, we have a Como 5-axis table. The trunnion table will tilt, but right now it is unable to turn. The machine also has whips, which is wireless and intuitive programming system. You can see the table tilting there. Also have a Haas tailstock that goes along with the table. Simulating a tool change. We're going to run the spindle. Bunch of tool changes. 1,000 RPM, machine's nice and quiet. Going up. 4,000. The control has a lot of nice features on it besides it having 4th and 5th axis drives and wiring. 8,000 RPM. You have rotation and scaling, DNC, quick code, M19 spindle orientation, macros, intuitive programming, advanced tool management. 10,000, and you have spindle load meter. All right. So you've seen the axes go, you've seen the table tilt, you've heard the spindle, you've seen tool changes. Hey, thank you for, oh, machine also has coolant through the spindle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.